I'm Ira and I'm from Russia.
Hello, I am Arifa from Pakistan.
Hello, I'm Jiafan from China.
We started from a network of global impact of COVID-19 on the people's life in various spheres, and then we chose the most interesting, the most close for us. That's why we choose transporting problem Jiafan, remote working problem Ira, and study Arifa.
What I'm focusing on is a woman called Jessica Wang. She is a nurse and she works regularly since the breakout of COVID-19. The department she works at doesn't get into touch with patients directly, so the work area is at low risk. But she's afraid to be infected on the way home or to work. She wants to avoid potential danger as much as possible en route. In the customer journey map, I listed all the movements Jessica does on the way home. She takes bus to go to work and gets back home every working day, and during this period of time, she sometimes forgets she needs to keep distance with others. And when someone is approaching, she really wishes to know if the passenger is safe. I listed all the functions that could meet users' needs and match the keywords, and I listed all the items Jessica frequently uses on the road, which can be turned into possible spotter for functions. At the end, through rating and comparing, I decided to use the bag as the spotter. Here is my design sketch for the product. My idea is using distance meter to remind user of social distance and use infrared temperature sensor combined with buzzer to give alert when nearby's temperature is over high.
I would like to meet you with Helen. She's an accountant and works at the computer in the university, and her main points are well-equipped workplace and schedule. We made sketches to analyze her usual day. That's how the persona appears. Before COVID, Helen wake up, went to the work by foot in 50 minutes, then worked on the computer in a well-equipped office with regular breaks. Then she returned at home the same way. But after COVID, Helen is forced to work some days from home, all the day at the computer. She doesn't have a good workplace with the good lighting and usually forgot about breaks. So the main problem is the lack of lighting and breaks. The solution is a smart lamp, which will turn on when it's not enough light, or will remind you to turn it on. It will have a reminder with a timer, so when Helen will need a break, it will remind. And after the game with the cards, we decide to implement changing color. Then, due to work with idea method color cards, we have identified the exact needs of our personas and think of other customers. So that's how we came to the final customer journey and get rid of unusual parts. So the final product is the lamp with the illumination sensor and a built-in clock to create a clear schedule. In the series of experiments, we have used a photoresistor with a LED and as a variant with a buzzer. Then a button. When you want to set up the timer on 20 minutes, the recommendation of distract from the screen, the melody will ring. And implementing this to the real lamp.
My persona is an old man named James who is an retired artist and an art teacher. Due to COVID, he can't open his studio as he is on higher risk of the severe illness than the younger person. To understand the James more, I make a customer journey map. I divide my customer journey into two phases, before COVID and after COVID. First, I describe the journey into short text, then storyboard, and I also give a detailed description of it. After creating the persona and the customer journey map, I decided my product, which is a doorbell. So the concept is when a child comes for the painting class, when she presses the bell indicates her temperature. If the temperature is normal, then the bell rings. If the temperature is higher, then the bell gives an alarm.
We decided to focus on the smart bag because it has a lot of potential in the COVID situation. Nowadays, a lot of people are forced to use public transport to go to work, and at the same time, they really want to feel safe. And our product may help to provide safety from infected people, to keep the distance, and at the end to be sure in your doings. Besides, we moved forward and wondered what if we will offer to customers a choice of design. That way, we could implement our product to the wide range of customers and make it more common.